a trip we did recently to one of the more remote islands here in the Pilbara. We had 4 boats, we had 10 blokes, and it was an epic trip. We spent the days diving and we spent the nights just having a laugh, having a few beers and chilling by the campfire. The first spot we dived, the viz wasn't so good, but we still managed to pull a few fish. And then as we pushed out wider and got into the deeper water, the viz just cleared right up.
Fuck yeah.
So after a big day on the water, we all met back at camp for some well-deserved beers. We shared a laugh and the stories from the day's events. There really is nothing better than watching the sunset from a beautiful Pilbara beach. So as the sun rose on day 2, the wind had not dropped as forecast. So we packed up camp and we headed straight for home. A few fillets at the boat ramp kept the nomads happy, and then it was in the car for the journey back to town.
So there you have it. It was a really good trip with some really good people. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Cheers.